So I felt inspired to share something on YouTube today about a theory I've been working on over a couple things. A lot of it is with holographics, hologram theory. So it's basically like no matter what you have, if you have like a sliver of it, you can shine light through and reproduce the entire image. It's like looking through a window outside and then looking through half that same window, you see the same exact reproduction outside. So one of the things that I've been learning is as I'm learning how these images are produced, you have your reference light, which is basically a light unimpeded, and then the object light, which basically shines at the object through a refraction lens and a mirror, which then goes on a collection plate. So this is basically similar to how a record album is carved into wax. So it's like the literal actual like bumps on it. The ancient Egyptians used this a long time ago. Pianos, wind-up toys do the same thing. So when you look at it, it's basically two different images and views of light stacked on top of each other. Now typically they use a laser for the purity of the direction of the light, less refraction within it. It's going to be a higher quality picture or image. So when you recombine these views, these pictures on a plate, shine the original light over, you get a reproduction of the entire image with depth. Now the quality is going to be depending on the material, how well you are doing that. Now the thing about the plate, the refraction or the reference plate, the refraction plate of which the image is captured on, looks like basically the particle in the wave or waves from up above. Now you can do a little bit of rogue wave theory with it, but then if you're looking at this texture as well, you're looking at light and sound doing the same thing. Now if I put light and sound together, you know, from a distance, you'll see something before you hear the sound of it. So with that difference in the refraction of it, you can put something together like binaural beats, and I bet there's a delta added within that to give a special image of what we perceive of as reality. So this is something I'm going to be delving more into. I want to thank you, Ilhinu. Thank you everyone for helping me with this. And definitely, the next time you look at yourself in a mirror in a window, remember you see some of your reflection see through. Good day to you.